YouTube. It's Mom's Day. If you want to be listening, you better pay attention. We learning about makeup and hair and all our business. You want to have a good time with her, Rere, and the family. So take a seat, sit back and watch. We finna get it poppin' now. Here it starts.
Guys, we're going to take these lentil beans and we're going to take this brown sugar I'm about to show you in a minute and brown it. What browning in is you want to basically put brown sugar on a hot skillet until it melts and put it into the lentil beans. What I'm doing now is I'm just basically rubbing it around and stirring it faithfully, and you'll see why in a minute because you don't want the brown sugar to burn. Okay, so once it's melted, this is basically what your brown sugar is going to look like. You want to continue to mix it because it's really pasty right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of that water that I saved from the lentil beans and put it in the brown sugar to loosen it up. So that's the cup right there that I saved of the lentil bean water, and I'm going to put it in the brown sugar, and this is exactly what you want it to look like right here, nice and loose and browny. Okay, so now I'm going to take that browning and pour it right into my lentil beans. Get all of that and put it in. Now we're just going to stir that brown sugar into the lentil beans so it goes all the way in and mixes up. It's going to be nice and sweet, but also going to have like a very robust flavor to it. Then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to season my lentil beans. Okay, there's the onion. Now I'm going to put about a tablespoon of pepper into this. Because the sugar is really sweet, the brown sugar is sweet to it, you want to add some kick to this so it balances out. So that's a tablespoon of black pepper. I'm also going to put a tablespoon of salt in this. That sounds like a lot, but this is a huge pot of lentil beans, you guys. So you kind of need the salt, and I didn't put it in while boiling it to get it ready. So I need that salt. Then I'm going to take a tablespoon of thyme, and that's all the herbs and seasoning you need for this lentil beans browning, and just mix it up. It'll be delicious. One more ingredient totally forgot was the 3 minced garlics. After that, mix that up, let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and it is done. everybody was saying, we have our Trinidad chicken, our lentil beans, and our rice. So we're about to eat Sunday dinner with Moscato to drink. Yum. So here's the final look. I'm going to show you guys how you eat with naan bread. Two little pieces. Yep, so you just grab it, pinch, and you eat. Garlic naan bread is really good.